Hi guys, welcome to the Conscious Entrepreneurs channel, and this is the second video of how you can make money with Amazon affiliate marketing um, on YouTube. Okay, now I spoke in my previous videos about how you don't need a video, like how you don't have to create any videos, like your own videos. You don't have to be on camera. You don't have to, um, record your voice or any of that stuff. It's basically a software that allows you to create videos. Now, we're not going to take Creative Commons. I know you've probably heard of Commons. If you haven't, basically, Creative Commons is taking a video that someone has allowed you to reuse on YouTube and then using it as your own. We're not going to do that in this video, and I tell you why, okay? The reason why I don't like Creative Commons is that you don't actually know if it really is Creative Commons, as in you don't know the video that you're taking is really Creative Commons. And the reason why I tell you this is because I could literally upload a video, any video, and I can tick mark it as Creative Commons and it's not, okay? And then, you know, later on you end up getting banned or flagged on YouTube for copyright infringement or whatever. You want to just keep it safe, because if your video does go get ranked and, like, your video's getting ranked and your video's getting views and it said Creative Commons, but it's not actually really Creative Commons, you can get in trouble for that. Okay, so that's why I want to save you from all that hassle, and we're going to create unique videos that takes literally doesn't even take long to create. Okay, it's not going to be your voice, you're not going to record your voice, no one's going to see your face. You're just literally putting up a video, a very good quality video, and it's unique, so you're saving yourself from getting flagged or banned or whatever. Okay, that's the reason why I'm against Creative Commons, because I've heard in many cases where the video doesn't have to, even though it says Creative Commons, some of them are not Creative Commons, if that makes sense. Like, easily I can just mark it as Creative Commons and it's not. Okay, so I hope that makes sense of why I'm not doing that method. And I'm going to show you how to create videos with VidNami. But first, we're going to go back to our product. So if you go to, I think I titled it Vid1. So you'll be able to see the first video of how I did product research on Amazon to find my product. Now, you don't want to watch this video and copy the exact same product, because that would just be, you're going to saturate it and it's just going to be silly. A bunch of people, creating the same. It took me 2 minutes to find this product. Okay, so you do it in your niche and you find a product in your niche. Don't copy the exact same product, because it's going to be like, it's just, some people do that. They watch a video and they try to look for the exact same product or whatever. It's just pointless. Okay, you could be finding your products and doing it. This was like actually a 5 minute research. I found this one. Okay, so anyway, getting back to it. So in the previous video, we actually searched that this product gets thousands of sales a month. Okay, and I think it makes like £145,000 every single month. Now that is BSR is the monthly rankings, and that would be the monthly sales that this product is getting. So it's pretty awesome, and there's a lot of money that this product is making. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we are going to search for what we can put into our video. Okay, so like all of the description and all of the things about the product and everything. So first, okay, let's just open up a document. Okay, let's just open up a document. What is going on here? Docs. Just going to open up a blank document. and I'm just going to name it. Okay, this is just going to be named Amazon product description. Amazon product description. Basically, I'm just going to copy and paste everything that it says about this item. Okay, it's not rocket science. You just literally copy and paste. And actually, I did say before that don't copy and paste it word for word, but I think we could probably do that with an Amazon product. And the reason why is because we're not stealing, we're actually just using the description to sell this very product. It's not like we're stealing it for our own products. And I'm sure, they won't mind that if we are actually selling the product itself. It's not like we're taking anything. Do you understand what I mean? Like, we're taking a description from this product, but we're using it to sell this product too. So I'm sure they won't really mind if we do that, because we are an affiliate for this item, if that makes sense. Now that is a really cool image. I wonder if we can actually save this image. That's a really cool image that we can put into a video, but I don't know if you can actually do that. Like, how would it save? No, it will save as a JPEG. I don't know. Let's see what happens. Yeah, we'll just save as a still image. Yeah. Oh no, it doesn't. Wow, that is a really cool image. So we can actually add that into our video. Okay. So they've got some really cool images here. We can put this one into our video right here. I will be doing another video on how to actually create all of these videos. Okay. That was another one here. So literally we can put all of these images in our video. I really like these images. They're really cool. They're very nicely, put all of this together. Okay, so look, and then they've got like a small description under each image as well. So, which is pretty cool. I mean, this video obviously doesn't have to be very long. It's a short video. Oh my god, there's so much more. Okay, let's just add all of these images. I'm just going to quickly add all of these. I'll just pause this video and do that. Okay, so I've just saved all of the images, and I think I'm going to save this image as well. This is a really cool image. Now, we don't have to use all of these images, but it's just something for us to use, okay? Now, we've got our document open, so I am going to copy and paste all of the points that, I haven't copied and pasted the points here. So I'm just going to copy this. Paste it into here. Okay, so copy this, paste it into here. So I'm just going to do all of that, and I'm going to pause the video, and once I'm done. Okay, so what I've done is I have copied and pasted all of this, like all of these here, okay? So that we can use them for our video. Potentially we can use them for our video. Now there's also customer reviews right at the bottom, which is amazing that we can find. We can find like different reviews, what they say, you know, and we can use that also for our videos. We don't have to do this, but it's just something extra. If we want to, we can do it. There's so many, you know, so much information that we can get just from customer reviews that we can add into our video. You know, just to get, if you don't know much about the product, it's just to get a understanding of the product and, you know, all of the terminologies and all of that. Okay. Oh no, it's not even in the reviews. It's more in the question Q&A. So if you can see here, can I use this fitness tracker? Look, this is great. Look, check this out. Can I use this fitness tracker to connect with my iPad? Hi, thank you so much for your question. I'm sorry that our fitness tracker cannot work with the iPad. So from this, we can actually, from this information, we can put this into our videos. We have extra information here. You know, is it waterproof? The waterproof grade of this fitness tracker is IP68. So again, we've got more information. We can put, this is however not waterproof, blah blah blah. Do you see what I mean? So we can put more information in our video. If we don't have much information, I mean, there's already so much information here anyway. But if we lack information for the product, like if there's not, this is very well written. So there's a lot in the description. There's a lot of information in the actual description itself. But if we lack information on the product, we can always come to here and get more information on the product. Okay, so if you can see, I got an iPhone. Can I connect the watch to my phone? Yes. So we can actually add that. You can connect your watch to your phone. Okay. So yeah. So we've got a lot of information here on the product. Now, the next thing to do is to find the keyword. Okay, to find a keyword to rank for this video that we are about to create. Okay, so once we find the keyword, then later on, once we find the keyword, then we if you haven't got a YouTube channel, you set up a YouTube channel and basically create the video through Vidnami. Okay, so you get a Vidnami account. Okay, you can get a 7-day free trial of Vidnami. I'm going to show you how to use Vidnami to create these videos. And then once you have your video up, then we go to VIDLEY and we generate the code for our keyword, put it in our title and everything, and then we rank the video. Okay, I hope that makes sense. So we've got all of everything that we need now for this video to let me just check here. Okay, so it's even got more information. I'm probably going to take this as well. Okay, just to get more information about the product, but pretty much got a lot of information here. Okay, so that's done. And yep, if you've liked this video, please give it a like, comment, and subscribe. And I will catch you in the next video. This is video 2. In video 3, we're going to look into product research, keyword research, okay, using VIDLEY. And I will see you in that next video. Okay, so take care and I'll see you soon. Bye bye.